Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making braised dried tofu with potato slices. Another insanely delicious dish that goes perfectly with rice. First, grab a potato, wash it well, peel it, and slice it into pieces of even thickness. Don't worry about making them super thin. Next, take the dried tofu and cut it into thick strips. Then slice those strips into diamond shapes. We will also prep green peppers and red peppers, slicing them into diamonds as well. And let's cut a little bit of pork belly too. For aromatics, I'm chopping up some green onions and mincing garlic. Our prep is done. The 4 ingredients and the measurements are in the description if you need them. Now let's start cooking. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Drop in the dried tofu and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Just a little, don't overdo it. Once the water comes back to a boil, scoop the tofu out and soak it in cold water so it doesn't clump together later. Now, heat some oil in the wok. Toss in the pork belly and stir fry to release some fat. Add the green onions and cook until fragrant. Then add the potato slices. Stir frying a bit longer to remove any raw potato taste. Next, drizzle 2 tablespoons of cooking wine and 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce around the edge of the wok. Then add 0.5 tablespoon dark soy sauce and 2 tablespoons aged vinegar. Keep stir frying until the potatoes take on a nice color. Add a little water, just enough to slightly cover the ingredients. And let it simmer uncovered for about a minute. Then add the dried tofu. Season with 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons MSG. And now cook for another 7 to 8 minutes. Toss in the red and green peppers. Stir fry for a few seconds. Then add the minced garlic and stir everything together one last time. And we are ready to plate. Look at this, tender dried tofu and soft, flavorful potato slices. You are definitely going to need several bowls of rice for this. Let me try a bite. The tofu and the potatoes soaked up all the flavors. It's simple, easy, and absolutely belongs in your regular home-cooked meals rotation. Thanks for watching. See you next time.